The accessories I never thought I would need. Sounds familiar. Yeah, I've already used this title for past YouTube videos, and I'm going to use it over and over again. I always wanted to own a set of these, but they're pretty hard to get here in France, especially in that color. Let me show you how I use them and why you should consider owning a set. And if you don't know what Apple boxes are, well, stay seated. Apple boxes are almost everywhere, almost in every studios and on film sets, and it's easy to understand why. I wanted to get a set back in 2020, but I failed, and then recently I found a few available online on ProAim's website. It's a 4-in-1 set with one full, a half, a quarter, and a pancake-sized Apple box. This set makes it easy to stack and combine them to achieve any desired height. Made of 12-ply cedar-based wood, these were hand-polished to warm tones for a better style. Because here's the thing, I don't really like the color and tones of regular Apple boxes. This is why I chose these ones from ProAim. Because of the tones and color, they better fit my style. Plus, I feel that they're really sturdy and strong. I feel comfortable sitting on them, and this is where the fun begins for your future photoshoot sessions. You can ask your model to lean on them, sit on them, stand on them, and create all those weird positions. So here are a few examples taken from different recent home sessions. You can use them indoors or outdoors. I don't mind taking them on location and scratching them up a bit. It will give them a more vintage look with time. These boxes can also be used to prop up lights and cameras at desired angles and heights. They were really useful on set during the filming of a tango video I did recently. I also use them for my product shots now because I love the color and texture of the wood. I might get another set, so I hope they don't run out. Have you ever used Apple boxes for your work, for your portrait photography work, for your film work? Tell us in the comments below. If you live in France or in Europe and wish to get your hand on these, check out ProAim's website and you will soon realize that they propose not only Apple boxes, but a wide variety of tools and accessories for professional filmmakers and photographers. If you enjoyed some of these images, the one I just shared in this video, well, rejoice. I will share the complete behind the scenes of some of these sessions here on YouTube, and at least one will be an exclusive post on the blog for premium members. So stick around, and I guess that I will catch you whatever happens in the next one. So until then, take care and please have a good one.